Hey everyone, I'm going to give you a super quick tutorial on your student dynamic ebook. When you log on to Big Ideas in your featured resources, you should see a box that looks like this, student dynamic ebook. Go ahead and click it and it's going to bring you to a digital version of your textbook. You might have more than one textbook listed up here depending on how long you've been with Big Ideas. Select your book. If you've been on here before, it'll open to whatever page you were last on. To get somewhere directly, go over here to contents. Let's say you're struggling with integers because we're a little rusty from summer. You can go directly to a lesson here. Let's go to subtracting integers and it will bring you right to the textbook. You can look at one page or two-page view depending on what you like. These arrows here will take you to the next page. You can also tell it to go directly to a page. Like let's go directly to page 16. Okay. You can zoom in and zoom out. Keep in mind, if you are zoomed in, some of these functions I'm about to show you won't work. Okay. Anytime you kind of just hover around and you see that the cursor turned into a hand, that means there's something that you can click. All of these play buttons are exactly that. They are play buttons to lead you through some video tutorials that are like this.
Subtract 8 minus 10. Notice that.
Okay, so it'll lead you through things like that. You can get to the lesson here and you can see that there's a little 1 here that turns into a hand. That means that all of these problems here correspond with the lesson example 1 and it will lead you back to that video tutorial. You can also hover over and you can see maybe, reading the directions is kind of tough. I like to have them read to me, so you can click on that.
Match the subtraction expression with the corresponding addition expression.
Sometimes just hearing out loud is really, really helpful. Okay. You can get to another page. You can bookmark pages if you want. Bookmark them by date, by page number. That's super helpful so you know where you're at. Let's say you are really struggling with some of these bigger ones down here. You can highlight that, and then you can see up here the highlighting tool will activate, as will the note tool. So you can say, ask teacher for help during office hours. And then you can save that little note. You can see right here it kind of changed colors. And if you click on that, your note will come back up. Remove it when you're done, and so on. So there's so many great tutorials, okay? If you go back to your contents, okay, you can see here, like there was a little quiz that's in the textbook. They're always there, but you can see right here, you can click on this and have some questions to practice. The 9 multiple choice questions here will in fact grade for you when you click check your work. So that's really helpful when you are working through things. What else can I show you? There's just a lot of great things. Don't forget about the contents down here, the selected answers. Remember, all the odd answers are in the back of the book. That's super helpful because sometimes getting the right answer helps us get to how to work things out. Again, your student dynamic ebook looks like this. I strongly suggest you use it. It is filled with tools and resources and videos and super helpful all the way around. Okay, don't forget to ask your teacher if you need a little bit more help, but utilize your resources, you guys. Remember, all the play buttons are videos built in. Have a great one.